Hey, there's Mike Thomas here, back again to my show. And today we're going to be taking a look at a video called I Found the World's Easiest Side Hustle, $500 a day with proof. Now, I'm a sucker for proof. Anything where people actually show me that they're actually doing it, I love it. Let's see if he actually does this. I'm going to go ahead and give him a like on this video. If you guys can go ahead and like this one as well, it will really help out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Let's jump into it.
4 months ago, I posted this post in my Facebook group looking to see if anyone
know a faceless YouTube channel master who sells a course and has an affiliate program. There's a ton of people that are doing that. These faceless YouTube channels, I've seen this all over the place now, where people are making YouTube channels, they're outsourcing the content and making like 6 figures doing it. It's crazy.
who could make thousands of dollars with automated faceless videos. After 77 responses varying from straight up spam to some that were actually pretty good connections, someone named John responded to me with this. I've got something perfect.
I actually know this guy, John Shea. I've interviewed him before.
Perfect for this, using YouTube and something else that I've been keeping a secret, but I've done over $130,000 with my no face videos. Message me if you want to chat. Now, I'm not the type of
I'm gonna have to hit up John about this now.
person with the power to resist hearing secrets, especially when it comes to making money, so I slid right into his DMs to learn a little bit more. Now, after showing me proof that he was really making these crazy amounts of
All right, 16,000. That looks like commissions from something. Not quite sure what it is. I'll have to ask him about it.
money with his top secret method, he went on to show me exactly what it was that he was doing. And this is where things got crazy. What John was doing was quite literally hijacking free traffic from the #1 e-commerce site in the world, and they actually approved what he was doing, they encouraged what he was doing, and they paid him for what he was doing. And so in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what it was that he showed me in that voice message conversation, and then you're actually going to be able to watch me use the method live and test just how legit this is.
I like it so far. This has got my attention. Like this video, guys. Don't forget, like this video. You know you want to.
All right, so the way this method works is actually really unique, and I loved it because I've honestly never seen anything like it. So you know when you're shopping on Amazon and you're shopping for one of 10 billion things that you can buy on Amazon, now you click in and let's say you're looking to buy this camping lantern right here, right? And you go through and you look at the pictures and you've got some questions. Maybe the picture's not showing an angle, maybe you're confused on installation, confused on something like how long it lasts. You really want to know if it's actually a good product, if it's going to last more than a week or two, and you're doing all this research, right? Especially for some of these higher end items, and you come across down here, you can see there's videos. So I'm about 5 pictures in and it's got 2 videos, and so I click into there and you can see right here, this is videos for this product, and then it's got related videos. Both of those
Interesting. I'm interested so far.
show up for a lot of different products. Now we can click into here and you can see that this actual video is somebody who's just going through their experience with this particular product, right? And if you go down to here, this is a related video, meaning that someone else is talking about a competitor's product, and Amazon is showing you this saying, hey, you might be interested in this product as well, which is great. Now, what if I told you that these 2 creators right here that made these incredibly simple videos, you can see this first one is about 1 minute long and this next one is about 1 minute and 16 seconds long, and both of them are just a guy standing there. This one's actually totally faceless, meaning he's not even showing his face, he's just showing his hands with the product. This person's just sitting there for a minute in front of his iPhone and talking about the product. What if I told you that both of these creators were actually getting paid every time someone watched 30 seconds of their video and then decided to buy this item or another similar item on?
I didn't know that you could get paid to do that. This is brand new for me.
Well, this is the method that John showed me, and it honestly blew my mind. And the real reason that it blew my mind was not just how simple it is, which conceptually you can tell how simple this is, but also how little competition there currently is in this space. You can see right here, Amazon actually allows for 6 videos to show in this spot right here, and currently there's only 1 video about this product, and that means that there is a spot for 5 more creators to create a video about this product. And
So could you like do reviews of all kinds of products and make money for it? This is really cool.
You can see right here, this product has 7,000 ratings, which probably means it's getting bought dozens, maybe even hundreds of times every single day. I think I've actually found a way to make money just using your phone, not showing your face, doing little to basically no editing, and just giving your 2 to 3 minute opinion about stuff that you are already buying anyway. Needless to say, I was super sold on the method and I really wanted to test it. So Let's test this. All right, so it's day one testing this. I went and watched some videos on YouTube, and then I chatted with John a little bit.
Well, this is interesting. Okay, he's talking about some system, 50% commissions on the 3-step process I use. Sorry, long. I'm also getting some valuable free stuff. I've received about 5,000 in products. Got a mini fridge. This is cool.
More. Obviously, I'm an expert and I should probably sell a course on this, but I'm going to wait at least a few days before I start doing that. Anyway, so step one is you actually have to get approved for the program in order to be able to do this. All right, so all I did was Google the Amazon Influencer Program. It had me click sign up, and after signing up, it just uses your existing, already created Amazon account. But once you tell it which Amazon account you have, it's actually going to ask to see your social profiles, and you can choose Instagram, YouTube,
I wonder if they want people to have like existing channels and stuff.
TikTok, or Facebook. Now, I talked to John for a few minutes about this, and he said, don't worry, you'll get accepted for sure. He said most people do get accepted, and you don't necessarily have to have a massive following, but you do need to have a good presence and followers that actually look at what you do and things like that on one of these 4 platforms. Now, I would say my biggest presence by far, obviously, as you're watching this video, is YouTube. So I'm going to click YouTube, and it's actually going to just connect with my YouTube account, verify that I'm the owner of the YouTube account, and then we'll be able to go from there, hopefully. Now, if you're anything like me, you buy an embarrassingly large
Have you guys heard about this before? This is the first time I've heard about this.
stuff on Amazon on a whim.
I bought 1,500 live ladybugs for $6
What? How can you buy live ladybugs? I didn't even know you could do that.
on Amazon.
So what I decided is that I needed a system for identifying which videos to do first, because I've literally bought hundreds, if not potentially thousands of products on Amazon over the past few years. So I went to my Amazon orders and I took every single order inside of my Amazon account and I put it inside this spreadsheet. And you can see right here, I was not lying. I've got almost 500 products that I purchased on Amazon over the last few years. But you can see I put in the product, the price, a link to the page, total reviews, and then total videos.
Oh, this is interesting. He's really nailing this down.
And that's how many videos are actually showing up, because we're looking for the golden opportunities here, right? The stuff that's really, really easy. And so for me, I decided to focus on products that had a high price, because that meant I would get a bigger chunk of commission, right? If it's a $200 or $300 product, I'm gonna make more commission. And the real beauty here is it's not gonna be any harder to sell the $300 or $400 products than it is to sell the $10 products, because the people are already on the product page.
So are people, I wonder if people are buying it, are you getting paid when someone buys it, or are you getting paid when just someone watches the video? Because if you're getting paid when people buy it, then there might be an incentive for you to make it sound nicer.
Clearly interested in purchasing this product. They just need a little bit more information. Anyway, so I'm going for a high price, and then I'm going for some videos, but not the full 6 videos. And the reason for that is, as I dug around, I was looking at all these different products. You can see I was exploring all kinds of products on Amazon. I noticed that some products have no videos, and I'm pretty sure that people have made videos about them because they've got, ratings like 28,000 ratings. And I figure if it's got 28,000 ratings and no one's made a video on it, it probably just means that Amazon is not showing that for some reason, and they're not putting videos for that product. So we're looking for the sweet spot of these high-priced items that have a few videos, but their video queue hasn't even been filled up, and there's a big opportunity there for me to put up a video and instantly start making commissions. And the last thing, of course, that we looked at was total reviews, which, while we can't get the exact data on how much of this product is being sold every day, total reviews gives us a really good idea, right? If we've got something that's got 10,000 reviews versus something that has 16 reviews, we know that the thing with 10,000 reviews is getting sold a lot more on Amazon, which means if we do manage to show up in that video queue, we're gonna make a significantly higher chunk of money. And after hours of spending time looking for the lowest hanging fruit, we can...
Sounds like he did a lot of research on this.
These 6 items that I had purchased that are the best opportunities, I think, for me to crush it with this. First was this ultra secure crypto device called a Ledger. Next was my favorite pair of sandals. Next was my bath mat, then speakers, this rug, and our kids' play kitchen that we got them for
Oh, it says currently unavailable, so I'm not sure if that's a good one.
Christmas. So I just spent all of 6 minutes whipping out 6 extremely high quality outlines like this one you see right here, and then it was time to get filming.
I mean, you could create an outline for it. I bet you could just kind of wing it too. Just kind of figure, know what you're going to talk about. It's probably easy to talk about it because it's something that you own.
All right, that really wasn't so bad. 6 videos filmed and ready to go. It honestly took less than an hour. We're not gonna do any editing or anything. We're just gonna cut out the times that I froze on the camera. Yes, surprise, I actually do freeze on camera quite often. And on the Amazon front, it just had me upload a picture and a little title like this one right here that's 1 or 2 sentences long. And then it looks like I just need to go to create content, post video and photo, and super simple, even easier than posting on YouTube. It looks like I just need to upload a video and then a thumbnail, and then I get a tag which product I purchased directly from my orders right there, and I'm good to go. I can submit.
So I guess you have to actually have purchased the product. I wonder if you can purchase it from somewhere else and then review it. I don't know.
So I just finished uploading all 6 of the videos, and now I think I just sit here and wait for the money to roll in.
Let's see how fast he actually makes money, if any.
All right, guys, we are back, and it's actually 2 weeks later. It turns out getting approved for the program doesn't actually mean that you're approved to make money with the program. I don't even know what that means. But anyway, I logged
Okay, video update submitted.
in 3 days after posting, and I saw this message right here in my dashboard saying that they actually have to review my first 3 videos.
That's actually good. There's a review process. So you can't just create crap, which is good.
Then I'll get double approved and I can start making crazy amounts of money with Amazon. But of course, I've logged in every day for the last 2 weeks, and this is the message that I still see every time I log in. I've also been checking my stats every single day, and my videos are really not getting many views, though they are getting some. And that kind of makes sense because if I'm not eligible to show on product listings, I don't really know where those videos are actually being seen anyway. So I messaged John, and apparently
Most people, it's about 5 to 6 weeks.
5 to 6 weeks is actually normal, even though it says 2 days. To me, that's a pretty big difference, but I'm sure some employee is just getting a kick out of watching me squirm right now.
I wonder why it's taking so long.
So I'm just gonna kick back, I'm gonna ignore this message for another week, and we're gonna see what happens.
1 week later.
So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the last few weeks have been a little bit
Another
rough.
week?
Lots of logging in, lots of logging out, no full-on tears, but I did come close to smashing my computer into the ground a few times out of frustration. But it ended victoriously. After waiting a week, I logged in, and you can
look
see
at
here,
that.
I had actually been approved, and as soon as I got approved, the views just spiked. So you can see right here, suddenly this one single video about this Bohemian rug we bought a few years ago bumped up to 200 views. The rest of them looks like nothing really happened with them, but that one single rug really started spiking. Naturally, I was super excited, so I headed to my earnings dashboard to see how much I'd
Yeah, you guys think he made any money?
actually made with this new 200 views. I've been told by John to expect somewhere between 10 and 15% conversion rate, which means with these 200 views, I should have a fair amount of sales. But instead I logged in, and you can see right here, I was staring at goose eggs once again. There were a few odd clicks, but that's about what I typically get from month to month from some of these old pieces of content that I put out years and years ago. So it looks like once again, I'm showing goose eggs. Now at this point I was really frustrated because I made videos, I got views, and you can see right here, my average view duration on the video that was blowing up was 40 seconds, which means more than half of the people
And people are actually, like, they're about to buy it. They're just looking at some reviews. So it's like people that have huge buyer intent.
the video were getting past the 30-second mark, so I should be making commissions off of these people if they purchased. And it was a positive review, so it seems like there would be at least some people that would watch and then purchase. So I thought that maybe since I had just gotten approved, the earnings dashboard just took a few days to show me some numbers or something like that. But after 7 days, I was still staring at those zeros. So I hit up John one more time to tell him that his method was terrible and he'd wasted hours of my life and he was a scammer. I'm just kidding. I just reached out to John to ask him what was up. Now this is where the magic happened. John sent me a video going over all of his stats to see if there was something that I was missing, and it turned out there was something I was missing. Amazon had actually assigned me a second store ID. You can see right here when I go up to my store, and I click right here, I actually have a second store ID that they had created when I had created this new Amazon influencer account. And lo and behold, when I logged into that account, you can see right here, it was a little funny. It wasn't showing me any clicks or anything like that. Nothing down here, but right here
Ooh, 68 bucks. That's great.
in my summary, I had made $68.
That's really cool. I get excited about that kind of stuff. That's 68 bucks. I mean, now he can just keep on making more videos. I mean, I don't know, but I mean, you could technically, and you might want to check with your accountant, but buy stuff, review it. You could perhaps even write off some of the stuff. I don't know. I'm not a tax accountant, but you could turn that into a business.
So I get that that's nothing crazy, but let me show you the math. Most of the time here was just spent waiting to get approved. The total production time for 6 videos was about an hour and a half. And now those videos had already paid me about $50 an hour for that time, and they were also making me $5 a day. And now this week I can go and make 6 more, and then 6 more, and then 6 more, and my old videos will continue to make $5 a day as my new videos start adding a new $5 a day as well. Hopefully they make a little more as I improve, but who knows. Now, if the math holds true and I keep filming just a couple videos a week, this is a $100 a day side hustle in about 20 weeks.
Yeah, I love it. I think this is great.
Way too excited to just do a couple videos a week. So instead, I'm going to be filming a review of basically everything I own in the next 2 weeks and seeing if I can get to $100 a day significantly faster. Hey guys, it's about a month.
Look at that, $569. Love it.
Month later, I actually was about to make this video go live and then realized I had to do just a quick update. So I hopped in. I'm on the road right now. I'm sorry if the audio is bad or anything, but you can see right here, this is everything we were talking about in this video was happening right here where I was making $5 a day, roughly $5 to $10 a day. And you can see here, I uploaded my next batch of videos right there and I started to make about $20 a day and then my next batch here, and I'm now up to $50 a day. So please click subscribe. The next video is going to document this journey where I got up to $50 a day, and we'll actually show exactly how we
I have a link to him in the right below in the description if you guys want to go and check that out. That's awesome.
did all of that. I've never seen a side hustle like this. This is mind-blowing. I'm so excited to keep making videos about this. So again, please click subscribe. We'll get back to the video now. So my final thoughts about this method is that it's a real legit method. It's a little slow to get that ball rolling, but you can just do other hustles and things like that while that's happening. And I'm just going to keep doing this. And in fact, I've got over a dozen videos already in my queue right now to get uploaded. And I plan on pushing this super hard until I hit that $100 a day mark. Now for you watching, if you're interested in this method, you've got to click subscribe, because I promise you as soon as I hit that $100 a day mark, I'll put out a second video and I'll show you everything that I'm learning and everything I figured out to go from about $5 a day to $100 a day with this method. And I plan on doing that over the next 30 to 60 days. So go ahead and click subscribe and you'll see the next video when it comes out. Go ahead and let me know in the comments if you want.
So guys, what do you think of this? I thought this one was awesome. This is probably my favorite video that I've done on this channel so far. Let me know what you guys think about this, if you're excited about it as well. If this seems like something that you could try and do yourself, please hit that like button. It really does help out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And subscribe, hit the bell notification. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.